Today, I don't know what I'm gonna talk about. It's a lot going on. So, I currently have started my own business because I feel as though I don't make enough doing what it is that I'm doing. So, I'm trying to start my own landscaping company. I'm trying to start my own landscaping company, and it took off a lot faster than what I expected. But yeah, that's cool. And I got some bad news as far as the cars go. I tried to get the 5.0 up and running. You guys know that the transmission, everything, I put everything in, did it all myself, not knowing I bought a bad transmission. I was under the impression that the transmission worked perfectly fine, but it didn't. My first drive in it, I barely made it around the corner. I ended up having to reverse all the way back. Don't really know what's wrong with it. It just looks good. So I've been driving. That's 95 a lot more lately. I've been driving around, and I got more time to myself, man. I encourage anybody that is chasing a dream to chase that dream to the fullest, because you never know what's gonna happen. I mean, if you go to a dead-end job, you're working every day, you know what's gonna happen. You're gonna work at that job, you may possibly keep the job, you might get fired, but yeah, do your thing, man. Yeah, and I'm gonna get back to the car, but I was kind of upset because I did not think that there was anything wrong with the transmission. I really just wanted to drive this car so bad, and I was thinking that everything was gonna be okay, and it just ended up being the worst thing. Yeah, but it's okay. We've been leaving the Valiant outside and stuff like that. All my cars outside getting good sunlight right now. Today is actually a good day, man. I look good in the sunlight. Yeah, and I've been shaving. I'm trying to think about that. I've been shaving. I feel as though I look super good. I've been shaving because I was looking kind of scruffy, man. I think with the beard and how it's patchy and stuff like that, looks real homeless, man. I just can't get with that. It just looks real homeless, man. I just want to look the part, you know. I can't be showing up to people's doorstep looking like a hobo. So I had to, you know. I don't really too much care about dressing, and I don't care about what I got on, but other people look at that, so I gotta keep and I gotta look the part. So, you know, shave a little bit, try to look good. I'm not gonna always shave it, but I've been trying though. I learned that it's a lot to this shaving stuff. Like you gotta get your face moist and try to do a lot of stuff, or you get like shaving bumps. So I got a little. I'm not gonna show you that because it look nasty, but you get a little shaving bumps and stuff like that if you don't shave properly. So I'm trying to learn how to shave and stuff, and it's gonna take some time. But I'm getting the hang of this shaving stuff. This is what men do. Men shave their balls. They shave. Okay, I'm gonna shave my balls. I ain't gonna do that because this shit itch. But yeah. It'll be shaving, man. I'm shaving. Yeah. So I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but I'm gonna vlog today. So stay tuned. Right now, I'm gonna show you what this exhaust sound like. So I did get a chance to get the exhaust on, and I'm gonna try to prop this camera up where you can see. I seen people do this before and it look cool, so I'm gonna try it out. And I'm gonna see what it's looking like when or you know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna try to get y'all a good angle of when I start it up. Bit of woo going to it, you know what I'm saying? I like it though. It just don't go nowhere, man. I got a bad transmission, which sucks because I was ready to go, man. That shit ready to run right now. That's what it's telling me. You hear that? It said, I want to run, daddy. I want to run. I want to run like Usain Bolt. Man. It just is what it is, though. I'm gonna let it run for a minute because I haven't cut it on a couple of days. Had a full tank of gas in this thing, everything. I could have been running when it got tired, everything. I could have been running, man.